Good morning everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unplugged EV Australia. Beautiful weather, nice and warm again. This morning we are going for a trip. Excuse me, I'm still suffering from this cold. So this morning we are going for a trip to Brisbane to visit the Electric Vehicle Expo in the Convention and Exhibition Centre. And I hope I can park the car at King George Square car park, because they've got at least four public chargers there. And the parking ticket is only half price for electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles who charge there. Charging is free, parking half price. So that's the plan. And of course we have fully charged the car this morning. Yeah, 7.11 kilowatt hours and 5.5 hours on 6 amp. 5.5 hours only. And my camera gear today will be the GoPro Hero 4, frame for it and a clamp to put this on my backpack. Then I've got the Evolution power bank with me just in case I need some more juice, and the little pink tripod which looks like a sex toy. Well, kind of it is. And of course I've got the big camera here with me, the Canon G7X Mark II. So I hope this all works out for us with parking and charging over there. It's in the middle of the city and we will be leaving in about an hour. Okay, so we are ready to go now. I will make sure the car's battery is fully depleted before we arrive in Brisbane, so I can take full advantage of the free charging over there. So, and we are starting our trip with 99% state of charge. Battery temperature is 22, 24. Everything is in the green area. Let's go. So guys, this did not work out as planned. The car park actually at King George Square was closed this morning. I was talking to the guy over there and asked for a charging spot, and he said no, all the chargers are closed. The whole parking lot is shut down for today. It didn't say anything on the website. So we are parking now a little bit further away here from the exhibition center in a non-parking zone area. It's non-Tesla. And the battery is totally empty. Completely empty. It is on 25% state of charge. So I have made the first round here in the exhibition center and have met about 6 or 7 subscribers already. They just came over and said, "Hey Andy, how are you?" I said, "Who are you?" So that's pretty funny actually. And we have split up now. My wife is actually going to the city now, do a little bit of shopping there, and I'll go back in and talk to Russell from Evolution Australia and some other guys I've seen over there. Very interesting. And I meet up with Hunter. I'm very keen to meet him. Okay guys, let's go back in. And we've got a nice Model X here. Beautiful car. And here we can see a full electric garbage truck converted by SEA Electric in Victoria. They have taken an existing Mercedes garbage truck and converted it to full electric. Hunter has sent me a picture. It says, "Look for head." Let's see if we can find him. Is that me? Look for head. Hunter, nice to meet you.
How are you? Just don't muck around, mate. Honestly though, I would take...
I also had some time to have a look at the Hyundai Ioniq and Hyundai Kona Electric. And of course I went over to Evolution Australia to have a chat to Russell and Zoran. And this time they had also the Seppi charger on display. It's an awesome product, you should check it out. The link is below in the description. Yeah, so all in total I was very pleased with the uptake of people over there and also how many subscribers actually recognized and approached me. So we had some really nice conversations about the Outlander PHEV, the problems with the battery, renewable energy and electric vehicles in general, and all in total I think it was a great success. I left the Electric Vehicle Expo a couple of minutes ago and went down to the South Bank Parklands now, waiting for my wife, and then we go for another coffee and then go home. Beautiful weather here at the wheel of Brisbane. When we came back to the car, the state of charge was down to 24%. And the battery voltage was still at 3.8 volts. Surprisingly, the engine did not kick in when I turned on the car. So, and after driving home for 85 kilometers, the MMCS showed me 9.2 liters per 100 kilometers. But let's have a look at the overall trip card. So 165 kilometers all in total. The average speed was 67 kilometers per hour, so not too bad. It was almost all highway driving anyway. Sportive driving style as always, that's why I get only 2.7 leaves of 5. Alright, 60.5% EV driving all in total. 12.1% Glide and 17.4% Regen. 70% of the time we stand in traffic. Okay, let's go quickly further down to the consumption field. You can see we've used only 6.1 kilowatt hours at the beginning to charge up the car initially. And afterwards we have used 9.6 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers and only 5.5 liters again per 100 kilometers. And guys, let me tell you, this car was driven in charge mode again on the highway, not in safe mode. And it looks like safe mode makes a difference to the consumption of about 1 liter per 100 kilometers. I usually get around 6.5 on safe mode, but this time I used charge mode and consumption went down to 5.5 liters. So what I usually do, I drive down the battery at the beginning and then press the charge button to recharge the battery to about 60-70%, turn the engine off, use all the battery again and then do the same thing again. And this seems to make a difference in consumption of about 1 liter per 100 kilometers. Okay guys, so far this little video of yesterday's Electric Vehicle Expo in Brisbane. I met about 12 subscribers actually over there and had good chat with them about the Outlander PHEV, about the problems with the battery, about electric vehicles and renewables in general. So it was really great to meet you all guys over there. This is Andy from Unplugged EV Australia signing off. You stay charged and we will see us in the next video. Okay, bye bye.